Animal agriculture. You take the grain and store it in an animal. Now you have a wider variety of food products for the consumer. A bowl of ice cream, there's more jobs behind a bowl of ice cream than there is a bowl of, let's say, rice. HE was very enthusiastic about animal agriculture. And so he envisioned a concept of promoting animal agriculture to the farmer and to the consumer. Essentially, we had the 5 basic farm animals at the time: the chicken, the cow, and then the steer and the pig, and then of course the sheep. Those 5 animals were combined in to make a fictitious animal that HE called the Unimal. And he had it made into a toy so that children would become interested, because he realized that children at a young age needed to eat right, needed to be fed nutritionally, so that they would develop into good citizens. So get the children interested in it, make it into a toy.
This is genetically modified. This is beautiful. This is worse than Frankenfood.
Isn't she a nice looking little creature? Very unique. A lot of thought went into that. And then of course, if we push down on it, oh, look, we got a hot dog. And we push down on it again. Oh, here comes out a quart of milk. Homogenized milk. Oh, and here's our pound of butter. And a ham. And of course, the egg from the chicken. The 5 basic farm products from one animal, the Unimal. Wouldn't that be neat if we had a real Unimal?